Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Angelo uses the metaphor of a bird struggling to escape its cage, described in Paul Laurence Dunbar's poem, as a prominent symbol throughout her series of autobiographies. Like elements within a prison narrative, the caged bird represents Angelou's confinement resulting from racism and oppression.
Let's help you make your mark.
The free bird symbolizes people who live in this world unencumbered by prejudice of any type, whether it be racial, socio-economic, or psychological. The free bird has the opportunity to move through life soaking in its abundance.
Let's help you make your mark.
Caged bird in comparison to free bird leads a restricted life. He is enclosed in a narrow cage where his wings are clipped and feet are tied. The only thing he can do is he can open his throat to sing. He is in anger to get out of the cage, but due to fear he does not tend to do so. The 23rd of February 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.